Hi guys, in this video I will show you a very common React Native Android issue which we say Android Gradle Plugin or Gradle Wrapper mismatch. So this issue basically occurs when our Gradle version mismatched with the React Native version. So let's intentionally break the build, understand the error and then fix it properly. So first of all we will run Android app, and here you can see we have reproduced that issue and here you can say failed to apply plugin class and say needs Gradle version 7.6 or higher. So currently it's saying that our React Native supports minimum supporting version of Gradle is 7.6 or higher. So we will change our Gradle version to latest that is compatible with our React Native version so that we can rerun our app again. So we will go into Android, and inside Android folder we will go to Gradle, and inside Gradle we will go gradle-wrapper properties, and here you can see we are using 7.2 version of Gradle, and we will use the latest version, that is 9.0.0, and we will save it, and after that we will clear our terminal and run that command again for the Android app. And here we can see the app is running now and that issue is gone, and that's it, our app is running now as you can see. So that's it.